Hello everyone,
Welcome back to Fremar Talks.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Victoria.
Today we're going to learn some new conjunctions.
These conjunctions will make your English sound more natural.
Don't worry if they look difficult.
We will explain everything with simple words and funny examples.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be using them like a native speaker,
Well, maybe not exactly like a native speaker.
but definitely much better than yesterday.
Let's begin with our first conjunction, both and. We use both and when two things are true.
I like both coffee and tea.
She speaks both English and Portuguese.
We visited both London and Paris.
Both my parents enjoy traveling.
I love both pizza and hamburgers.
That's not surprising. You also love both breakfast and second breakfast.
Breakfast gives me energy. Second breakfast gives me happiness.
Do you also have a third breakfast?
Only on weekends.
Repeat after us. Both my parents work.
Both my brother and my sister study English.
We like both movies and books.
Excellent. Now let's learn either, or. We use either, or when we choose one option.
You can have either cake or ice cream.
We can travel either by bus or by train.
You can either call me or send me a message.
Adam,
Either vegetables or chocolate.
is there a third option?
No.
Then I choose chocolate.
I knew it!
Can I at least have chocolate with vegetables?
Absolutely not.
It was worth asking.
Your turn. Either coffee or tea.
Tea.
Really?
No, coffee.
I knew it! Now let's learn neither, nor. It means both options are negative.
I like neither coffee nor tea.
She speaks neither French nor German.
Yesterday I had neither money nor luck.
And today?
I still don't have money.
What about luck?
I'm talking to you.
That's actually good luck.
You're right.
Repeat after us. Neither my brother nor my sister is home.
I have neither time nor energy today.
Great job! Now let's learn not only, but also. We use this expression to add surprising information.
She is not only smart, but also funny.
The movie was not only exciting, but also emotional.
Victoria is not only patient, but also brave.
Why brave?
Because you work with me every week.
I deserve an award.
A very big award.
Repeat after us. My teacher is not only kind, but also helpful.
This restaurant is not only cheap, but also delicious.
I think you mean the food is delicious.
Yes, let's say that.
Next, we have although. We use although to show contrast.
Although it was raining, we went for a walk.
Although she was tired, she finished her homework.
Although I'm on a diet, I still look at pizza advertisements.
Looking is free,
Eating is expensive.
especially if it's your fifth pizza.
That only happened once.
This week.
Let's continue.
Now let's learn though. Though is similar to although. It is very common in conversations.
It was expensive. I bought it though.
He's short. He's very good at basketball though.
I'm not a singer. I sing in the shower though.
Your neighbors know that.
They clap every morning.
I don't think they're clapping.
Oh,
Let's move on. Our next conjunction is while. We use while when two actions happen at the same time.
she listened to music while cooking.
I studied while my brother watched TV.
I eat popcorn while watching movies.
I watch Adam eating popcorn while watching movies.
That's true.
You never share.
I share. Sometimes.
Once a year doesn't count.
Fair enough.
Repeat after us. I listen to music while I study.
She smiled while talking to her friends.
Excellent! Next is until. We use until to talk about time.
Wait until Friday.
Stay here until I come back.
I stayed awake until 2 in the morning.
Were you studying English?
No. I was watching funny cat videos.
That's educational.
Cats teach happiness.
I'm not sure about that.
Science will prove me right one day.
Now, let's learn unless. Unless means if not.
I won't go unless you come.
Don't touch it unless I tell you.
I won't clean my room unless someone pays me.
Your mother is listening right now.
Mom, it was just a joke.
Was it?
Maybe not.
Let's continue. Now we have since. Since can talk about time. It can also give a reason.
I've lived here since 2020.
Since you're here, let's start.
I've loved pizza since I was 5 years old.
I think everyone already knew that.
It's part of my personality.
I believe you. Finally, let's learn whether. We use whether when talking about possibilities.
I don't know whether he is home.
She asked whether I wanted coffee.
I can't decide whether to study or sleep.
Study first, sleep later.
That's good advice.
Time for a challenge. Complete this sentence. Although it was raining,
I still went to the park. Both my parents,
love traveling. Unless,
there is pizza, I'm staying home.
while,
You are talking, I'm thinking about lunch.
I noticed.
Let me tell you a short story. Yesterday, both my brother and I went shopping. Although it was raining, we walked to the mall. While we were walking, I dropped my phone. I didn't know whether to laugh or cry. We searched for it until the security guard helped us. Since my phone still worked, we celebrated with burgers.
Not only did you find your phone, but you also found an excuse to eat burgers.
Exactly. It was a perfect day.
Let's review. Both and connects two positive ideas.
Either or gives a choice.
Neither nor makes both ideas negative.
Not only, but also adds extra information.
Although and though show contrast.
While shows two actions happening at the same time.
Until talks about time.
Unless means if not.
Since can talk about time or reason.
Whether introduces different possibilities.
Adam, can you make one long sentence?
Although I was tired, both my brother and I went shopping while it was raining. And we stayed there until the stores closed because we couldn't decide whether to buy pizza or burgers.
That's an excellent sentence.
And yes, we bought both.
Of course you did.
Today you learned some very useful conjunctions.
Practice them every day.
Try to create your own sentences.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Write your favorite sentence in the comments.
Don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to the channel.
Share this lesson with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling.
See you soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you for listening to Fremar Talks. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a like, and share it with a friend. See you in the next episode.